Can you say hello to everybody?
Hi
Say hello to
everyone.
Natasha.
Come on, louder. जुनून कहाँ है आपका?
Everyone shaking and taking the pictures. लेकिन तुम एंडरसन से already हो क्या? Wow, I like it.
No. अगले साल. Next season.
तो इस साल already आग लग गई है for next season.
अरे आग तो एक चुल से लगी थी.
चुल किसने की?
You know ये जो rivalry है.
हाँ.
ये तब start हुई जब एक संकी डांसर के चुल ने एंडरसन्स की लेगेसी को चैलेंज किया.
तो वो सनकी डांसर का नाम भी sort of write it down.
नहीं, I can't give this much of it. Come on, I've already said enough.
So all the 200 people here have no idea what's going to happen. But our lips are sealed 16th May. That's the whole idea of giving a teaser. Thank you so much for joining us on stage and thank you so much, Anushka. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's pretty much like a heartbeat of everything. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us on stage. We've got something very much that you want to see right on the screen in front of you. So have a look and I'll come right back. लेके आया हूं और नाइस कैंपा फॉर द एनर्जी.
बहुत जरूरत थी यार.
तो अभी खोल के पियो. मैं पकड़ता हूं. Was that good or no? Normally what happens is जब हमारे दोस्त यार देख रहे होते हैं वो अपनी लाइफ में बड़े मग्न हो जाते हैं. But you guys go. जिस तरह ये तुम लोग को बाइंड कर रहा है और मुझे भी आपके साथ बाइंड कर रहा है, आप दोनों की दोस्ती बहुत ज्यादा गहरी है, right? It goes back a long way.
Like really long back because मैं सुमेट को तब से जानता हूँ जब उसने शुरुआत करी थी और मेरी भी शुरुआत थी. So from Dil Dosti Dance we are here.
Remember that from Dil Dosti Dance?
We are together.
और मैं गोर भाई को तब से जानता हूँ जब मैं इनको देखता था टीवी पे, लगता भी नहीं था मैं इनका दोस्त बन पाऊंगा. आज इनके साथ परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ. इट्स वेरी स्पेशल. आई थिंक रोहित और सेबी आप देखोगे आपको बहुत अच्छे लगने वाले हैं. और जैसा सेबी रोहित के लिए फील करता हूँ ऑन स्क्रीन, वैसे मैं ऑफ स्क्रीन के लिए फील करता हूँ. All the good bits.
No, but I think I'm grateful to God that we're working together and we're working in a way we are brothers.
That's why you call it a bromance, man.
This is just the start.
Absolutely. Actually ये बहुत लंबी जर्नी और है. जून में actually there's an amazing track. जैसे आप दोनों फैंटास्टिक डांस कर रहे थे, दो ऐसे लड़के पीछे खड़े हैं जिनको बहुत टाइम से जानता हूँ, जिन्होंने इस फैंटास्टिक शो का एक फ्रेंडशिप थीम का है. सो मैं बुलाऊं उनको.
अरे प्लीज यार नहीं और कुछ भी बुला लेते हैं.
तो आप दोनों यहाँ खड़े रहना. They'll come and sing. Then we'll all dance and then we'll all get off. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
So Arjun and Mahi, can we have you on stage, boys? They've sung the friendship theme on the tracks. There you go. एक जानी पहचानी सी शक्ल लग रही है. शान का बेटा माही. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. He's daring to go on his father's footsteps. Arjun, welcome guys. Welcome Mahi. Welcome Arjun. How are you doing, buddy? Superb. तो इनकी फ्रेंडशिप तो बरकरार है, लेकिन आप लोगों को जल्दी फ्रेंड बनना पड़ा क्या जब आप गाना रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे?
I think पहले से we were already friends, so
तो हर किसी के फ्रेंड रहते हो माही. That's the best part. What about you?
Definitely, I think Mahi is such a lovely boy that it did not take time for us to break ice and become friends with each other. So yeah, I love him.
So now जैसे प्रथा already established हो गई, जो भी स्टेज पर आ रहे हैं, they've got to show their talents and the track is so fantastic. एक तो शो इतना कमाल का है. So are you guys ready? Absolutely.
हाँ जी, of course.
And when I say couple, you can sing four lines also. ठीक है? So let's go. No pressure at all. That's why I took your father's name also, and he's working somewhere also. No pressure. हो जाए.
Sure.
कल की किसको क्या पता है, मूड थोड़ा लाइट तू कर ले. रंग बनी ये जिंदगी है, थोड़े से रंगों को भर ले. छोड़ दिल का ये बहाना, फिक्र क्यों करने का. जश्न है यारी का, ओ यारा जश्न है यारी का. जश्न है यारी का, ओ यारा जश्न है यारी का. साथ तेरे सारे यार गए खड़े जो हर मुसीबत से लड़ रहे. तेरे लिए गए आसमां के बार बंदिश न गए कोई जो रोके तुझको जीने से. जश्न है यारी का, ओ यारा जश्न है यारी का. जश्न है यारी का, ओ यारा जश्न है यारी का.
Actually, to shut your eyes, ना, you think that Shami Singh, सोनू बाजी वहाँ पे है. सोनू जी, was that good enough? Perfect था? Thumbs up? बस, you got the ultimate approval, boys. Thank you so much, guys. Good luck.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for joining us on stage. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. 16th May is going to be all the best to all the jodis that are going to be here. And it's going to be just incredible. Hey, Junoon, of course, as you know it, it's one of a kind. You know, to do 40 songs in a show, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. But they pulled it off. I had to call you on stage also just to have your presence so that everybody will see you. So how are you feeling being part of this entire setup? It's an ambitious project and it's fantastic.
Hi everyone. Hi, good to see you. I'm very happy to be part of this project. I've been a part of a lot of projects the last more than 3 decades. Every time it's a beautiful feeling to meet new people. Sagar has been very enthusiastically after me. And in fact, today I have to do 2 songs right now out of this, but I didn't want to disappoint him. I told him I have a very busy day.
Perfect.
So I have a beautiful song composed by Rutu. Words नहीं है वरना मैं मुझे सिर्फ words बोलिए दूसरा मुझे.
That's why I love this. It's so nice and impromptu, and that's why I love Google because it always helps us out.
क्योंकि मैं जब कहीं जाता हूँ तो मैं फोन अपने पास नहीं रखता. I don't keep a phone, so हाँ. जब रात अधूरी लगने लगे, जब रात पूरी महक उठे, तेरी मेरी परछाइयाँ एक ही लगी, वैसे कस के गले लगाना, बाहों में तेरी गुजरे ज़माना, गले लगाना, बाहों में तेरी गुजरे ज़माना.
Before I ask you to leave us, तो ये बताइए नॉर्मली जब बहुत ही बॉडी बिल्डर लोगों से मिलते हैं उनसे पूछा जाता है आपने लास्ट टाइम बड़ा पाउडर खाया था, सोडा कब पिया था. आपसे पूछूंगा लास्ट टाइम डू यू रिमेंबर एवर व्हेन यू मिस्ड अ नोट जब मिस किया था कहीं पे, डू यू रिमेंबर इट एवर?
होता है ऐसा नहीं होता. थोड़ा गलतियां तो स्टेज पे हो ही जाती हैं. नोबडी कैन टेक द क्रेडिट ऑफ बीइंग इम्पेक्टेबल. वो तो ईश्वरीय जो है परफेक्शन. हम लोग तो कोशिश कर सकते हैं. आई कीप वर्किंग ऑन माय क्राफ्ट, बट यस कभी कभी अपनी आवाज़ ठीक से आती नहीं कान में तो थोड़ा स्लो चले जाते हैं. बट आई थिंक इट्स ह्यूमन टू एडमिट दैट.
Never. It is human to err, but you don't err. Thank you so much for coming. चांद लगा दिया आज. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Sound देगा. And like we were saying, he'd actually be like the captain of the ship for all singers. We just came and gave his wisdom. और उसी में हम सबकी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. लेकिन captain of this ship, just like I was talking about Rohit Sharma earlier, we have a Sharma ji who led Team Hai Junoon, the captain, the director of the show, जिसको सुबह से लेकर रात तक काम करना पड़ता है. सुबह से लेकर रात तक और अगले दिन भी सोचना पड़ता है कि what's the plan is for today. Dev Bin Laden made this fantastic film, really funny. You know, people always want to make things easy for them. Life में when you start something new, आप पहले धीरे से start करते हैं. जब आप जिम जाते हैं पहले 3 दिन आप हल्की सी वर्कआउट करते हैं.
ऐसा होता है क्या? मैं तो सिर्फ चलता हूँ जिम में.
तो अच्छा है सर, आपने शुरुआत स्लो की है. यहाँ लेकिन नो स्लो. 20 एपिसोड, जियो हॉटस्टार, बड़ा करते हैं, all the artists in the world. How and why?
Well, मेरे को कुछ नया करने की का जुनून है. Sorry, I should use that. I was told to plug it in every second sentence. But so basically, I always try and do a new genre. Like you've seen Tere Bin Laden, Parmanu, Ram Setu. They're all different genres. तो OTT में स्पेस में मैं काफी टाइम तक नहीं घुसा था. लेकिन जब जियो क्रिएटिव लैब्स पिच मी है जुनून, which is a musical. I love Broadway. I love musicals. And they told me that it's about the young adult show about college life, and I'm very, very nostalgic about my college life. So then I thought, why not? And like you said, पहला OTT show और काफी responsibilities थी, but बहुत मजा आया. It was fun. It was nostalgic, and at the same time, it was a great this thing to work with young talent as well as Jacqueline and Neil. So it was a great experience.
You know, a lot of people say that, you know, we want to do Broadway. कहना बड़ा आसान होता है. Technically, how difficult is it to shoot this? Because this is completely unlike anything that a lot of people actually do. बहुत मुश्किल है.
No, so basically, there is a difference. When we say Broadway, it means that the song and dance is a part of the narrative. Okay, and when we say Bollywood, now we see that it is also like a performance, like within a film, which also I have done. Manali Transit Chowdhury was my film. we have certain songs like that. This show has both. So you will have songs which will have a narrative, like Jash Nahi Aalika, which they were singing, is a Broadway narrative. It's happening, I will not divulge too many details, but it's happening inside the house and all the friends are doing something together and they, just start singing. That is a very Broadway way of, telling a narrative. But we also have certain song and dance in a traditional Bollywood.
Like Bollywood
So
style,
it's a combination of Bollywood and Broadway. But I am very proud to say that this is maybe the first time, at least in the OTT space in India, that we are trying something like this in the musical domain. And I'm really happy to have so many amazing composers working with us and giving us that narrative that we needed.
Big names when they come in and always listening and watching for the first time. What's the mix?
No, so musical तो है, college भी है, लेकिन उसके अलावा बहुत कुछ. It also has family, it has friendship, it has the emotion of romance, वो भी है. मेरा एक और जो शिकवा रहा है, एक तो मेरी फिल्मों में गाने बहुत कम रहते हैं और दूसरा रोमांस ज़्यादा मेरी फिल्मों में नहीं रहा है. तो इस शो में रोमांस भी, which I think there is a varied emotion in the show, and I think people will have fun with that kaleidoscope of emotions.
And also there's rival groups, which we're going to see on this stage also, which is quite fantastic. We're seeing Supersonics or Misfits. Let's introduce these two words to them, Supersonics or Misfits. Anushka के साथ आपने थोड़ा सा देखा था, but let's talk about those groups as well.
So Supersonics is a legacy music group,
Yep.
and Misfits is an upcoming rebel dance group. And also I think maybe for the first time we are seeing a rivalry which is inter-talent rivalry. Usually आप जो rivalry देखते हैं दो music groups के बीच में होगी, दो dance groups के बीच में होगी. But इस show में आप देखोगे कि it's like how there are shows which are talent shows. So this is a inter-college talent show जिसमें कि एक music group और एक dance group आपस में compete कर रहे हैं for the platform and for the वाहवाही of the audience. So that is very unique. Also what is very unique within the show, I'm just segueing here, but because आपने रोमांस की बात की थी, तो इसमें एक और तड़का ये है कि सुपरसोनिक्स और मिसफिट्स राइवल हैं, लेकिन दोनों के दो मेंबर्स हैं जिनके बीच लव स्टोरी भी है. So सुपरसोनिक्स का लौंडा और मिसफिट्स की कुड़ी, and there is a romance between the two.
रोमांस के बिना कुछ हो नहीं सकता है. प्यार दोस्ती है, यहाँ तो दुश्मनी में भी प्यार है. Let's give it up for our lovebirds. And as Abhishek said, Romeo and Juliet of Andersons. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. And they are waiting right there on the side. I'll take that mic. How are you doing, sir? So good to see you, भाई. And it's just so incredible. बहुत सारे artists जो होते हैं ना, they are उनके माथे पर artist लिखा होता है, जो कहीं जाते हैं. You are the most chilled artist for the last 20 years, and there's been तालियां थोड़ी better हो सकती हैं यार. Just incredible.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. My name is Nakash Aziz, and I'm very happy to be here. Always good to see you, brother. And आपको देख के हमेशा मुझे याद आता है कुछ कि मुझे जिम ज्वाइन करना है. तो
और मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों को देख के याद आ रहा है कि मुझे 6 बजे का खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए, because black उतना ही हैंड कर सकता है.
नहीं, of course. But यार कमाल है. I think it's a very difficult thing to do. I find it very tough, but you do it very
Sir,
well. And
if this was
big hand for this guy. Come on.
for the next bodybuilding show, I'll definitely be pitching myself. But Nakash, it's amazing how different आप गाने गाते हो. You are easily able to do a Bollywood track, able to do this fantastic show. First of all, just being part of this show also, it's a very ambitious thing जब आप सोचते हो कि मैं इतने सारे आर्टिस्ट ले आऊँगा. And believe me, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर बैठे हुए हैं जिन्होंने ये सोचा है हम 40 आर्टिस्ट को ले आएंगे.
Right.
And then to get those 30, 40, 50 artists is so difficult. So is it easy to call you? Was it easy to get you on board?
Yes, my number is on Just Dial also as a singer. So they keep calling me every year कि आपको continue करना है, and I'm like, is there any charges for that? So they say कि ऐसा कुछ charges तो नहीं है. तो मैं बोलता तो रहने दो फिर number. काम ही आएगा और क्या आएगा.
But convincing जैसे बड़े सारे artists होते हैं ना, actors.
Right.
I'll see 2 lines in the script and then I'll tell you. तो आपके साथ ऐसे भी कुछ तो होगा
नहीं, मैं
यार?
गाना सुनता हूँ एंड मैं आज तक एक भी ऐसे इंसान से नहीं मिला हूँ जो गंदा गाना बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. सब लोग अच्छा ही गाना बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट आई थिंक कहीं पर जो लोग का जो रीज़न है कि मतलब पर्पस क्या है उस गाने से, लिसनर को क्या मिलेगा या आपको पर्सनली क्या मिल रहा है. अगर आप फेमस होने के लिए गाना बना रहे हैं तो आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट अ गुड रीज़न फॉर मी. मैं ढूंढता हूँ कि क्या बंदा क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है, या अगर बंदा अच्छा है, गाना बहुत गंदा है तो भी मैं गा दूंगा, तो ऐसा है। पर अगर बंदा बहुत ही खराब है और गाना बहुत अच्छा है तो भी मैं गा दूंगा, तो ऐसा है।
This is the best one. I didn't know that you had this straight face feeling. एक चीज मैंने और भी सुनी है, अगर खाना अच्छा नहीं होता है, खाना और गाना एक साथ चलता है। You know, आपको देख ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है like you've been going to a lot of studios and eating a lot. प्रीतम दा के पास मेरे को सुनने में आता है, पहले 2 घंटे खाने का सेशन होता है, उसका 4 घंटे गॉसिप का सेशन, then 2 hours of singing session.
Maybe that's for the producers and everybody.
Right.
But अभी हम लोग I consider myself an in-house guy for Pritam Da.
Right.
So we kind of chill and सब लोग अपना ही खाना वाना जब खाना है, जो करना है, mostly तो हम we are working or smoking.
Nakash Aziz is an incredible talent, ladies and gentlemen. But यहाँ पे the beauty of this show is, यहाँ recreated में बहुत सारे गाने. You know, when you go back in time, you always think about कि आजकल के गाने कौन से अच्छे चल रहे हैं. To get the right balance also is fantastic. आपने भी बहुत ही famous गाना गाया है in this show. So,
Right.
2 tracks. But one is a nice recreated one.
Right.
But just something a little about that track. So then we'd love to hear you sing, obviously.
So it's always not scary, but sometimes even amongst your peers you are worried कि यार you want to sing something good, and when something like this ऐसा गाना जो मैंने गाया, हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा, I think is a song. So जब वो गाने का ये आया कि मेरे को लगा कि the way it has been rendered already,
Yeah.
I think सब कुछ उसमें हो गया, मैं क्या करूँगा, तो
Pressure होता है ना, when you have to sort of match up to the greats and then give a great voice.
but I think the whole thing is to be honest कि अपने को अच्छा लग रहा है क्या, फिर बाकी तो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है और जनता के हाथ में.
ऊपर वाले ने आपको जो आवाज दी है ना, वो जैसा, we would love to hear you sing more than a few lines because
ब्रदर हम लोग मिले नहीं पहले कभी, बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उनका जो साउंड, और आई थिंक दैट इंस्पायर्ड मी, बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या इसमें मजा किस चीज़ में आ रहा है, तो मुझे लेजर के साउंड में बहुत अच्छा लगा, बेसिकली उस हिसाब से मैंने गाया, तो बट अभी मैं गाऊंगा तो पता नहीं
वो जैसे.
मेरे को जो व्हाई नॉट.
Okay, so again I'm going to put a phone right now,
होगा तो
which will need somebody give me a phone. Yeah.
सॉरी यार,
हमारे शोज पे ऐसी है.
2 मिनट.
We'll have to unlock the phone.
हेलो.
Yeah. Okay.
हाय, सबसे मैं ऐसे ही मिल रहा हूँ, जान पे.
My God, this is phone नाड़ी. You don't have Google on your phone? Hello? You don't have Google on your phone? You don't have Google on this phone? We have given you some words. So this is actually how a lot of singers these days do perform. They just keep their
मैं ऐसे ही गा देता हूँ, जो उसमें जो हुक पार्ट है
right.
थोड़ा एंटरटेनिंग बनाता हूँ, एक्चुअली ऐसा उसमें नहीं है, पर ए ना 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 रे रा रा रे रे नो रे गा रे मा से रो मा ने नो मा ने ना ना ने ना 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 ना. अरे हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा, दुनिया से नहीं डरेगा, हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा, दुनिया से नहीं डरेगा, चाहे ये जमाना कहे हमको दीवाना, आज हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा.
Yes, not really putting out there. Yeah, I can chat like this and then I have that voice also. Thank you so much for joining us. Always such a pleasure to see you. और अब मुझे लगता है कि मैं आपसे सिंगिंग लेसन लूंगा, मैं आपको जिम साथ में ले जाऊंगा. I think that's the next thing that we're going to do. But ladies and gentlemen, talking about him and this magical duo with Laser, big round of applause for him. That's the track that was made. We're going to call you on stage later.
Hello everyone.
So, are you ready to follow the beats of Supersonics?
Supersonics beats. We misfits do not follow the beat.
because we make the beats bow down to us. What's it?
What is sound without music? Music is heartbeat, bro.
Well, what is music without dance? Tell me that. Right? Because dance is the one that gives life to the music. And we misfits do that.
Bro, I must tell you one thing. Goats की trophy ना Supersonic नहीं जीतेंगे.
I don't think so. You know why? Because misfits are going to take the trophy. We are the one who are going to steal the show, and you can bet on that. So let me introduce to you two amazing members, OG members of Misfits. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome Santana Roach and Priyank Sharma.
So wonderful, both of you were just incredible. Priyanka, I feel like I know you so much because I've followed so much of your Instagram. But it's fantastic. Tell me this, just to be a part of this kind of show, yeah, it's just incredible. And just the both of you, just to be part of something that is so performance oriented. I know it's not the run-of-the-mill acting like that. That's why I was so interested with it. But just being part of that, let's hear about that.
Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
I mean, I've been dancing. It's been all my life, I guess. And for the first time, I actually got to showcase my potential because it's the first love of my life, and then goes to acting, which is the second love of my life. So I think it was a great combination and a great time and a lot of learning and a lot of growth. I remember that one whole year that we guys have shot. There has been so much to learn from the actresses and the actors out there and my co-actors, Misfits. So it has been an amazing ride, and I feel Hai Junoon is something you guys should really see because it's very relatable. There's so many characters out there, there's so many layerings in the show that I promise to each one of you that you guys will feel so relatable. Maybe, if not me, maybe Santana, or maybe Sumit, and the other characters. Please watch it.
I love the mustaches. Reminding me of the whole, mafia zone. But like he said, so much to learn. But I think as performers and actors, you want to do a new project to learn something. I think that's the best part of it. So just your experience also working with them and also some really big names on the show.
It's honestly been such a roller coaster ride. And I think everyone should know this, that the Misfits crew, you can't separate us.
Really?
So that part of it, when we were shooting, I've never had that kind of a bond also with anybody on set. And half of the work is just done there. Otherwise, thanks to Jackie Mama, it's been lovely working with her. And Baman sir is here. I actually didn't get to shoot with him, but just watching him is outstanding. And of course, he's outstanding. It's been such a refresher to work with such outstanding actors.
In the credits, all the names will be together. So well done there. But they keep talking about a lady over here. Every time I see her, it's just incredible. Sometimes you feel that कुछ artists they're pushing the bar. Whether it's a physicality, whether it's a dance, and every single time that she performs on stage or she's on big screen, she takes our breath away. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the mentor of Misfits, Miss Pearl Saldana, better known as, what did you call her?
Mama.
Jackie Mama! Big round of applause! That's a first. Jacqueline, welcome.
Thank you so much.
So you were the big one. Were you really mothering everyone on set? Is that why she's calling you Jackie Mama?
Yes, I love it. This is actually the first time I'm hearing it because on set they were very professional. They were calling me Miss Pearl. But this is the first time I'm hearing Jackie Mama, and I feel like a proud mama right now. excited to go back after 16 hours of shoot to go rehearse that. They're like, yeah, we love it. And that is the kind of energy I love to be around because it just keeps pushing us and making us better and making us grow.
That's the repetition that you have in the industry as well. She goes home, will be so perfect on set, one of the hardest working ladies in the industry. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Jacqueline. You know, you sometimes see just a finished product and you forget the kind of work that goes into making sure that it's there. And I remember asking you a long time back when you come to our studio, what's the hardest part to move in the body? For me, it's every part, but like for a lot of other people, they said, you know, this, and all of such.
What did I say? I'm dying to know what
Before I show this fantastic video of you, we have to show, so for example, an old uncle, supposing about 20 years older to be, suppose he can't dance, right? And young uncle like you can't dance. What's the part that we can move the easiest so that people will think that I know how to dance a little bit? What?
Did I say something?
No,
Oh,
you said you said like the hips are a little bit tougher and you know the, I said nothing moves.
I mean, I will not go to the hips.
Right.
Because I know you will not like it.
Because hips will lie.
Yeah.
Hips will lie.
So let's keep it more masculine for Salil because I know the kind of love he has for weightlifting.
Who is this?
Yes, for sure. So let's keep it easier, Salil. It's a one simple step.
Alright.
Which you can do and it doesn't involve any hip.
Are all four of us going to do it?
I mean,
Alright.
yes. I mean, the ladies can definitely join us.
I'm just a height, yeah.
Yeah, these young
Ready?
Very simple.
Okay.
You step your right leg out.
Okay.
With the right shoulder up.
Yeah.
You just have to go 1, 2, and 3. And 4. Yeah, my man. And a 6.
60 hours coming up. 60
Hey,
hours
let's
coming
go.
up.
Simple as that.
The hard task, sir. At least 2 on 10. 1.5. Others will look very well.
Let's practice that also right now.
But that's the kind of perfection that you need, and that's the kind of dedication that you need to make this kind of show. I just want to make you understand the kind of dedication that has gone into making this kind of show as well. Just to be part of this as well also, it's OTT. You know, a lot of people don't understand the reach of it. Sometimes they're scared because immediately the comments will start in between. What made you say yes?
Firstly, I love the fact that it infused dance, singing, music, beats. That for me was a big draw, and I loved the team. I loved the casting. I loved the storyline. I loved, like Priyanshan said, I loved how relatable it was. My character was created and written so beautifully. She was so flawed, and she had nothing going for her, and she really did not have her life together, and she was constantly failing and learning and growing in front of so many people, and that's what I really wanted to, you know, bite my teeth into. I wanted to do this character, and I was directed by the best, and I was motivated by the best, and so this really was something that it felt risky, and I think that's what I liked about it.
When you say flawed character, I think every actor would want to choose that because it allows you to be all dimensions.
But that's who we are.
Yeah.
You know, it's as real as it can get, you know, so yeah.
So fantastic. 16th May. We're all waiting for this. Thank you, Santana. Thank you, Priya. And thank you, Jacqueline. Really, really happy. I'm on stage. Please have a seat. Yeah, I'm going to take that mic as well. But we've got something that I want to show you for the Misfit Mentor, which is going to come up on the big screen right now. So can you just play that? Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. But जैसे कि ये Misfits और Supersonics को हम देखते आ रहे हैं in this fantastic show जो 16 मई को आने वाला है.
इस बार गोल्स की ट्रॉफी हमारी.
For sure.
Gagan sir is the real goat.
Give it up. Make some noise! Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Neil Nitin Mukesh. How's it going, brother? Good to see you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, buddy. Love the jacket. Love the jacket. Suddenly I feel so underdressed when I see that jacket. Love it. But Neil, it's so good to see you. I mean, that could have been a better contrast actually. To have Neil Nitin Mukesh like this and fantastic in the red there. But good to see you. You're looking so fit. Just this incredible show.
Thank you so much, Sudeep. Look at you. You are looking outstanding yourself. And of course, to all of you, thank you so much for being here. This means a lot. GOATS is, I mean, to be very honest, the Ghost Trophy, of course, is a dream for all of us. Salim, thank you so much. Supersonics, can we scroll that down? Thank you, Salim. So thank you, Supersonics. I was the lead vocal for the Supersonics, and now I'm the mentor. Supersonics सिर्फ एक music group ही नहीं है. It's a legacy of winning goals every year. And this year, it's my responsibility, and I only care for the best.
Gagan Ahuja, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you're going to rock with the goats.
Thank you. Thank you.
But like I said, beneath the suit and beneath Gagan Ahuja, there is Neetat Mukesh. And I want to have the permission to chat a little bit with about you.
Please do.
Because I've been meeting up so long as well. It's incredible to actually be part of a musical show. For you, it seems like the most easy fit. Music's in your DNA, man.
You know, to be very honest, I think that this was my most difficult cast. And I have to give it, of course, you know, we keep talking about Goats. Hai Junoon is a show that I'm extremely passionate about. Because this is the first time in my entire career, 20 साल हो गए, और 20 साल में मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि ये पहली बार मैं दिल से भी कह रहा हूँ और जुनून के साथ भी कह रहा हूँ कि ये पहला ऐसा किरदार है मेरा जो मैंने शायद इस किरदार से रिलेट किया है, क्योंकि not many of you know that I'm also a musician by heart. I'm a pianist. I play the piano. I compose. Thank you. But and of course, you know, like you said that music's in my DNA. But at the same time, it was a very difficult task. But not many people did believe that I could play Gagan Ahuja. There was one man out here in the audience who did that. My director. Thank you so much, Abhishek Sharma ji. Thank you so much to Sagar, to Aditya Bhatt, my producers. I think they were fantastic, brilliant writers, brilliant producers. They envisioned me as Gagan Ahuja, and thank you so much for fighting for me and putting it up on a daily basis with me and making sure that Gagan Ahuja comes alive.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Good to see. Actually, when the director sort of gives you a thumbs up, you know, you always say कि कौन सा वो दिन था जब इनको लगा कि you got the key of the character right. ऐसा 5वां दिन, 7वां दिन, 8वां दिन कौन सा था? हाँ, Gagan Ahuja, that's my Gagan Ahuja. ये कब
तो बहुत लोग नहीं, I mean, of course हमारी पूरी टीम जानती है, but एक ऐसा दौर, शायद एक ऐसा फेज आया था कि शायद ये कंफ्यूजन था कि कर पाएगा नहीं कर पाएगा। तो हाँ बिल्कुल, और ये शो शुरू होने से पहले था। तो इनफैक्ट आई रिमेंबर आई वाज इन दिल्ली, आई वाज शूटिंग समथिंग देयर एंड अभिषेक सर कॉल्ड मी अप एंड सेड क्या करे भाई यार इसका, सर एक ऑडिशन लो, 20 साल में किया नहीं है ऑडिशन कोई, बट मैं आपके लिए एक बार कर लूँगा क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं आपका ये गगन अहूजा का किरदार निभा पाऊँगा। So I think it was very big of him for him to have written down 2 scenes, you know, spoken to me at length, sat me down, made me understand the entire graph of what Gagan was. Somewhere when I had read the script out earlier, I had always envisioned Gagan in a certain way, and somehow, you know, I think we aligned very beautifully on that front. But having said that again, you know, thank you to Jio Hotstar, the entire creative department of the platform to have really given me the wings to fly and given me this brilliant character. It's tough to play a mentor, you know, because कभी-कभी लगता है जब शो कर रहा था तब एहसास हुआ कि मेरे कॉलेज के दिनों को 25 साल हो गए, है ना? तो
you keep saying 20 years and 25 साल Sunday. He's been here for a very very long time, man, and he's still looking like this. तो लोग reverse aging की बात करते हैं अपने seniors से. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic.
But no, you know, like I missed my teleprompter lines when I was complimenting you on your physique. I was like, क्या मैं भाग रहा था यार, मेरे prompter भूल गया भाई, and they scrolled up. But no, thank you for the compliment.
Big thumbs up also for your dedication also. And I keep saying this also. A lot of people, you know, get great runs. A lot of people need a lot of luck. And you know, in the last 5 years, I've seen so many people have luck. Thanks to OPT also, they've come out. You look at Bobby, you look at so many other people. I think Neil, you look fantastic. The time is now. You've got the right people there. So big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is going to take off.
I hope, but more than luck, I also feel that there's a lot of patience. We have to reach that. Everyone has to be, so at least for me, what luckily was fallen in my favor, and like you were being very modest about this, is that I keep sharpening my eyes. I just can't wait for the opportunity. I'm prepared. So I think for most actors, you know, you mentioned Bobby Bowser. Bobby's a very dear friend. What an inspiration! I would never call his comeback because he's always there, and you know he's always been there. Many of us, you know, constantly keep working. We're just waiting for the right opportunity, you know, to come our way. And I'm glad that the platform, the directors, the producers, the writers, everybody associated with the show gave us the platform. But needless to say, you know, I have to point one thing out. The reason why I really lapped onto this and I was so desperate to be a part of the show was what I saw was the future. And the future was in the present. You know, this is the first of its kind that if I may say so, where you have film actors coming on, you know, on the same platform. You have TV actors coming. You have influencers coming. You have a bundle of talented, you know, youngsters who've never got the chance to face camera before. They've been given an opportunity out here. So when you have that kind of platform, you're all leveled out. And when that happens, your focus is only dedicated towards delivering your best and to making a product look fantastic, because it's not about competition. It's not about one-upmanship. It's only about pure talent. And I think I had the privilege of working with such brilliant youngsters who are fantastic. You've seen most of them have been introduced on stage already. And I saw him dancing there, and Sid, of course, you know, Sid, Sumit, all of them. Everybody that I worked with, Aryan just came up on stage. There was, you know, all of them. Aryan, name them. Anusha is there in the audience. She's right in front of me. Jacqueline, of course, doesn't need an introduction. She's brilliant. But when you have that kind of, you know, privilege to work with such brilliant stars, brilliant actors, brilliant talent, you have Priyank, you know, such a disciplined fellow.
Yeah.
You know, so constantly you keep yourself on the hook. You know, you are making yourself just stand on the edge and be prepared all the time. So this last 1 year has been, I think, my best time for me as an actor to learn so much, because I've never got this opportunity with so much talent in one room, be intimidated by every one of them because they're so brilliant. You know, I mean, I've done over 30 odd films now, worked with over a dozen of national award-winning directors, but I can say this with all heart that this was one of my biggest learning experiences.
Fantastic. Humble as ever.
Thank you, my dear.
Gagan Ahuja, we can't wait to see him. Neil, why don't you have a seat?
Thank you.
And lovely pearl Satana is waiting right there for you. We're going to play a little video out, which I want you to watch, and then you'll know a little bit more about Gagan Ahuja.
Good evening, everybody. How's everybody feeling? I mean, Sajal, first of all, it's truly an honor. My partner and my brother Saumil is here.
Yes.
Both of us, we've composed 7 songs for this web series, and it's truly such a blessing and honor to be a part of such a mammoth project. You know, hats off to all the creators and all the heads for putting this together. It's no easy.
Yeah, I saw the lineup and I'm like, okay, that's just the actor's part. Oh, that's just the other actor's part. And here, this is just the singer's part. This is really incredible. But I also want to take a moment to appreciate you also. It's so difficult to sometimes be in a family where everyone's, like, you're on the way to, like, right there, you know, and it's tough to have your own voice. Your brother, you all have your own voice also. That's fantastic. How is the chemistry between everyone on stage when you're all singing?
Oh, it's an absolute blast party, because we do a Triple S show, which is Shivam, Siddharth, and my dad Shankar.
Yeah.
And it's absolutely a party on stage. You know, we love performing with each other. Obviously, Shivam and I get a little nervous.
Really?
The nervousness, I think, lasts just up to when you get on stage.
Because he's backstage.
But yeah, it's an amazing experience. I think we are all truly blessed that we can do this.
You should get nervous when you have a Padma Shri next to you. Ladies and gentlemen, but there is a gentleman who's sitting right there who has a voice. Also, I believe that singers are blessed.
Yeah.
And no autotune can make you a great singer. I've tried, trust me. So I really want to hand this over to you, because you're going to call this amazing partner, because like you said, you made a lot of tracks for this.
Yes.
And we're going to have a performance on stage, but who will be calling up on stage?
So we've done one song in this series which captures the vibe of Mumbai, which captures the essence of this beautiful city that we all live in. And bajao ya, talia bajao, Mumbai ke liye talia bajao. And my brother, the very talented, most incredible Divya Kumar.
Talia, ladies and gentlemen.
both sung this song together. So I'd like to call them on stage.
Today is like a night of glittering champions, brother. कैसे हो? And I will definitely enter the stage right now.
नहीं हम बस 2 लाइन ऐसे ही सुनाने वाले हैं. I
दो
think
लाइन नहीं गा सकते हो, कम से कम 8 लाइन गाओ, क्योंकि आपको ना इन ईयर की जरूरत पड़ती है, ना कोई +1 की जरूरत पड़ती है. You all can just anyway sing so well. So would love to have you all both sing a little bit. And the phone and the Google's back. So let's have the words.
नहीं, मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट है
ये थोड़ा सा
रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. हे 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 वन ये ठीक है ना? गाना बहुत ऊंचा बना है इसमें, अब हम भी फंस गए. Two, even ताली on everyone. लो सी तेज है चलती रात भी सुबह में ढलती है, सभी की हिफाजत करती तेरी मेरी अपनी हिफाजत है. जो दिखाए हद से ज्यादा, जो बनाए सबसे नाता, ना रखे कोई मर्यादा, तेरी मेरी अपनी हिमायत है मुंबई. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I would like to thank Siddharth and Soman for having me on this song. एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा किस्सा है. ये गाना मुझे ऐसे मिला, लोग बोलते हैं ना कि लाइफ में हमेशा सक्सेस में एक चीज़ हेल्प करती है कि आप राइट टाइम राइट प्लेस में रहो. तो मैं बहुत राइट जगह पे NMSCC के वॉशरूम में था, जहाँ मुझे सागर भाई मिले थे. हम दोनों लिटरली पोजीशन पे खड़े थे और दोनों ने ऐसे देखा, हाय भाई हाय भाई. सागर भाई इधर है क्या? उन्होंने बोला यार एक गाना करना है, और भाई सही जगह पे आपने पकड़ा था मुझे.
So that's where we have to meet you. Basically get
NMSCC में सुसु कर रहे थे, एंड मतलब वही है कि बाद में मुझे पता चला सिद्धार्थ एंड सोमेल हैव कंपोज दिस सॉन्ग, और इनके जो फैमिली की लेगेसी है, एंड आई रियली फील ब्लेस्ड. मैं हमेशा ये देखता हूँ कि मेरा नाम गानों की क्रेडिट लिस्ट में कौन से सिंगर्स के साथ आ रहा है. एंड लास्ट जब ये बहुत बड़ा हुआ था मेरे साथ, दैट वाज भाग मिल्खा भाग, जहाँ पे एक
मेरा तो डेब्यू था एंड साथ में थे उसमें.
So yeah, this album also fantastic artist. All the best to the whole team of Hai Junoon, and thank you Shoman, Siddharth and Somen for
Thank you
having
Divya,
us.
and a huge round of applause for all the lyricists who have written all these beautiful songs, and all the music producers and everybody who's worked on the music of this mammoth album. Give it up for them, everybody.
Thank you boys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers, buddy. क्या वाइब है? Gold on stage and gold in the first row. So good to have you over here, sir.
It's so great to be here. There was this little kid in the earlier dance. Yeah, it was so fantastic. He comes to me, he puts on my shirt and said, "Uncle, अब मुझे मालूम है वो लास्ट का शॉट जब आप कुर्सी में जाके बैठेंगे, वो मुझे करने दो ना." Hi, everybody. Such a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I must say, such a wonderful audience. Actually, I've never seen something so elaborate ever, and I think it.
Me included. That makes two of us.
Okay, you included.
No, I said, even I've never seen something
I've
like
never
that.
seen, and it demands this kind of elaborate evening because this probably I do a small little part. I'm here mostly for the blessing, but I do this small little part in this very, very big show. And the reason why I did it because this is the youngest cast I've ever worked with. Me. And young hearts. And it just feels so wonderful to see talent around you that is just popping out of the woodwork. And it's not just acting talent, they all look fantastic. Today, anyone can look fantastic. I mean, look at me. Anyone can look at. But my point in all of this is that they're actors, they're performing, they're singing, they're dancing. And then, of course, a whole bunch of young musicians that are sitting, lyricists over here. I mean, look at the talent around us, ladies and gentlemen. Give everybody a big hand. Where is Nitin, sir? Everybody give this a big, big hand. A big, big hand. Come on, everybody. Let's hear it for the man. It's proud son is anchoring the whole show. My darling Shankar, you know, what can I say about you? If you weren't a man, I would still not have married you, but that's another story. And my brother Shan, and my Jack, whether you and I'll tell you, Abhishek, thanks for having me, number one. And number two, and most importantly, where is Aditya and Sagar? They are outside. Where are you guys? You're there. Aditya Kiran. Come on, everybody, I think these two guys, you know, they are ridiculous human beings. They are ridiculous human beings. You think about it and they call. It's scary. You guys scare me. You really scare me. You put this together. You put this evening together. You put a show of 20 episodes. Yeah, 20 episodes together. You've got a wonderful cast together. You've got all these musicians, all these lyricists. I can't even begin to tell you how proud I am to be part in the smallest possible way, but with the biggest heart. I'm here for all of you. Thank you very much for having me.
You know, Mama, you also had a very interesting journey last couple of years. You know, you yourself have done so much in front, behind the camera as well. When you go out there, is it easy to say, Aman sir, can I just have you for 10 days? How do you say yes? How does one get a yes from Aman sir?
Show me the check, buddy. What's so difficult in that? I don't understand. Give me for 10 days. I'll give you 20 days, man. Let's show me the check. Of course, it's great fun. I like to work with people who are like-minded, who believe in art, who believe in the hard work that goes behind the art. Otherwise, I'm not interested no matter what kind of check you pull. Of course, I'm like. But I really am not interested in working with people who just come there because they've got to put a project together. This is something with passion. This is something, it's got a great vision, this story. Great vision to have so many people together. And music is back on screen. Music in a big way. The album list of this. How many songs in this album?
40 songs.
40 songs.
And lots of them recreated, lots of them original.
It takes someone 40 movies to come up with 40 good songs, right? Look at these songs and look at the talent. I mean, really, thank you very much.
So essentially, उसका पूरा सारा किता, a good check and everything else with it, and Maman sir says yes. So well done. But now, at the end of it, now we've talked about 40 songs. Right. I know you sing wonderfully well. So what you're going to do, sir, for us is choose one of your best songs from this album. And because everybody has gone out at least 2 lines, at least that's what they said, and they sang 20. So you can choose 20 and sing 2, but you have to choose one song.
I'll choose a song. Yeah. I won't gungunao it. Yeah. Because there are people in this room who will not only gungunao it, they will blow you away. Blow you away with the rendition of this song, and of course, it has memories, this song has legacy. मेरी औकात नहीं है गुनगुनाने के लिए. तो मैं ये कहूँगा, there are 2 people who come on stage. There are 2 people who come on stage.
But before that, sir, I want to call the most important people that thankfully actually on this stage, so many singers have thanked the composers and lyricists. Normally it doesn't happen. But thanks to the idea of this show, it's been fantastic. Right. So should we call with them and have a lovely photo op with you as well?
Sure. With me?
Yes. I'll move to the side. All right. So I'm going to actually do the roll calling. Let's put it this way. We're going back to school. We're going to call all the lyricists and the composers. Yes, just first the music composers, and we'll do a lovely little picture over here, and then we'll move forward there. So can I have the names of all the music composers up on stage, and then we'll call them out one by one. Akshay Menon, Gaurav Dasgupta, Rutul Patel, Laser X, who we introduced you a while back, Mayur Shamani. So good to see you, brother. You just moved up, and we're going to do it like in school. Someone on the right side, sir, and someone on his left side, yeah? Mr. Mohit Shandilia, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Can you keep the applause coming? Patik Maniar, Rajdeep Ghosh. That's the security squad you should have. Sameer Sabdiskar, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Shelin Matthew. Sid, come back on stage, Sid Mahadevan. And another Sid, Sid Paul. Can we have Sid Paul? come back on stage as well. Big smile, boys. Big smile. Love it. Are we kissing someone? One second. Siddharth, where is Siddharth gone? Oh, after he's already sung now, must have gone to like rehearse again because they have to sing. Say it, come. There we go. Once more. One more. Shaumin joined us on stage as well. That was a track that Siddharth and Divya Kumar had sung. अब दोबारा एक फोटो favorite song of the album?
Okay, there's so many of them, but without a doubt, and ladies and gentlemen, all of you will agree with me, and there's a history and a legacy behind this song, and the legacy lives in this room. 2 generations are here, so Jeena Yahan is very close to my heart. Jeena Yahan.
So, I've asked you this question earlier.
No, I can't.
2 lines. Okay, half a line. Just gunguna do.
Nose cutting ho jayega, but it'll be even better that if my daughter, who plays my daughter in the film, Child, played by the wonderful Anusha Mani, is she here? Where are you?
She's backstage.
Come on, Anusha, come on stage. Now,
ladies and gentlemen, Anusha Mani, you're wonderful. Make your acting debut in this.
so Anusha Mani meets me in the green room and says, "What are you going to say about me?" I said, "Mostly lies." And the lies are, Anusha, that you are terrible in the film. The truth is that you are wonderful. What a wonderful talent. What a wonderful performance. And what a singer. You know, it's so lovely. I'm going to maybe using the line that you should have used with this wonderful man. But her first song that she ever sung as a singer was in Neil Nitin Mukesh's film. Johnny Gadda. Can you imagine? Think about it. Think about it. this handsome young man. What a wonderful circle it is. Everybody give them a big hand.
Baba sir, before we ask them to sing, like we've been doing for everyone, it's like a little lovely presentation. I want to show them something on screen.
You want to show them something?
Yeah. So we're going to exit side stage, and I'm going to show you this beautiful video. Great job there. And are you nervous being with Baman sir on screen?
I think there's something about certain people उनकी quality होती है. They're extremely approachable. They're extremely humble. They're extremely easy to be around. But their aura is just so strong that उनको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता. They just have to exist. And I think for me in my life, I've had that experience for the second time with Baman sir. First being Shankar ji. I think it's just that aura that they bring. They're just absolute geniuses in what they do. And उनके सामने यहाँ पे खड़े रह के जो gratitude मैं feel कर रही हूँ आज. Sir, it's been an honor, and it is an honor for me to hear you take my name. That's enough. That's a lot. Thank you.
What is so wonderful about this young lady? She's so eager to learn, even though she's not. She's so eager to learn. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Lovely career.
Thank you.
And now I'm going to call on stage a gentleman. Actually, this ground is going to be hallowed turf. So much talent over here, so much gratitude. A while back, his son sang, and I think we've all grown up watching him and just killing it on stage. When people talk about just natural talent and just one of the nicest human beings that we've known for a very long time, the vocal coach of the Supersonic Synth Show, ladies and gentlemen, can we please have the one and only, and I love saying this one and only because you can't say it too many times, but Sean, can we have Sean on stage? And the reverse aging continues on this stage, and I love it. So good to see you, sir. So good to see you. And what a day it is. You're standing in the same spot your son was standing. Can you imagine? A couple of years back, he made his debut on my radio show. No, he's not because he's now too scared to see you sing. But how are you feeling being on the same?
He's very hardworking and I'm very proud of him, and I'm so thrilled that we're a part of the same project, and of all projects, this one, because it's special for so many reasons, and I think he's run away, Joe. I can't see him.
Where is he?
Oh,
there he is.
He's
Idhar aa, Idhar aa. Aja. 6 foot 2 inches is really tough to hide.
Give your dad a hug. Give him some encouragement. He needs the encouragement. Come on. That's it. There you got a photo. Say thank you, photographers.
Two brothers. Say this are two brothers. But yes, Baman sir, I'm going to get off stage right now.
I leave you to these wonderful people. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Baman sir. And the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Salil.
About this amazing show, Neil Nitin Mukesh, but we have another legend that is sitting right next to him. Nitin Mukesh साहब, इनके लिए तालियां हो जाए, ladies and gentlemen, can we have your It's a very special year. It's actually the birth centenary of Mukesh साहब, and that's what we're going to talk about when we get on stage. And ये गाना जो 50 साल से भी ऊपर, it's been so लोकप्रिय. Big तालियां हो जाए, ladies and gentlemen. This is where just getting all the artists together has been such an incredible achievement. I think the only other time is when Shankar sir के घर पे गणपति होते हैं तब सारे आर्टिस्ट आते हैं एक साथ. Yeah, I will be the second one, but sir, wonderful. So.
कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा, भूलोगे तुम भूलेंगे वो, पर हम तुम्हारे रहेंगे सदा. अपने निशान इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो हम हैं यहीं हम थे जहाँ अपने यहीं दोनों जहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना
You say that actually, standing ovation, no less for the legends that we've had on stage today, the legends that saved us. Now that you sung so beautifully, sir, लोग 5 दिन के लिए गाने को खूबसूरत नहीं बना पाते हैं 55 साल हो गए It is just incredible.
1970 December 18 this song was released. It has been playing for 55 years and still on. I have to repeat this sometimes twice or thrice in my concerts. And this is almost an anthem. But more so for artists, for all these young kids who are in this fabulous Hai Junoon. I wish them all my luck, all my blessings, all my love. And this song is so, I would say, depictive of what they will go through, they are going through. You sang so beautiful, Greta. And Shan, of course, my younger brother, I would say more my son. Shan has sung that so beautifully too. One thing before I go, I want to say, wow, the singers fraternity is truly blessed with Hai Junoon. What with Shankar's sons doing the honors, Shankar Mahadev's son doing the honors, Shan's son doing the honors, and my beloved Neil starring in his first ever OTT web series. Thank you so much for being here, blessing all these kids. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And just before we leave, Mukesh ji ki birth celebration, birth anniversary hai centenary, and that's why I think we'd like a real standing ovation for this incredible family and Mukesh ji. I think it's been time for honoring all the greats. Great privilege to have so many people here. And may this song continue for another 50 years. We will celebrate 100 years. And the way life and medicine is happening today, maybe we'll all be there to celebrate 100 years.
From your lips to God's ears, God bless.
Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you, Shan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anusha. Thank you, Neil. गाएंगे जो हम करोड़ बार सुन चुके हैं. But ladies and gentlemen, a man, and I have to say this, because I've known him so closely for over the years, professionally, of course. He's never invited me home to eat food because his food is so incredible. To the two boys as well, I say this. But one of the most humble people, most chill to work with, incredible talent. He just picks a note like that. I cannot even say it enough. And I'm so glad that the government of India did give him the honor of Padma Shri. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have Dr. Shankar Mahadevan on stage? Please, a big round of applause.
Yeah, I mean, today it's all about them. This function is not about me. Not only my boys, but all those people who are here, the youngsters, the singers, the lyricists, the music producers, director Abhishek. I've worked with him on a film called Tere Bin Laden. Amazing film. And,
I couldn't stop laughing at that. Fantastic.
and of course Aditya and Sagar. Congratulations for this amazing achievement. I don't know how they've done it. And I was just seeing, I came in slightly late because I had another function, but Teri Meri Vibe, Mumbai was, I mean, what a performance that was. Unbelievable. And I'm sure that each and every song is going to do extremely well. And for a father, I think this is the proudest moment where I get to sit in the audience. I'm sure that Nitinji also agrees with me, Shan also agrees with me that sitting over there and enjoying your kids perform on stage. इससे ज़्यादा blessing दुनिया में भगवान का कोई हो ही नहीं सकता है. So thank you very much for this.
And not just performing and doing so well on stage also. But
like तुम लोग बताना चाहिए.
नहीं वो तो. But देखो अभी सीन ऐसा है. The beauty of having you on stages and having the mic in my ear is that we're going to make sure that we take advantage of you. And when we take advantage of you, you are going to have to sing like this. But we are giving you an option. Wonderful guys, please round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful.
Anusha Mani and
Thanks
all
so much,
the
guys.
young singers over here, all the writers. तो मैं तो कुछ बोल रहा हूँ. So I'd like to invite both of them and let's do practice together, man. आ जाओ.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys. Well done. Wonderful. Once again, for practice it is. This will be a moment quite incredible. You can actually see the video of
Check.
see this.
Boss, ये जगह है.
16th of May, Jio Hotstar. Don't forget to watch it. You want them to be all songs. He wasn't there last time. You heard up here. All three together. Sit down. Let's have this. We took a few.
You guys have to give us a
all
from
the
beginning to the end.
performances.
Are you ready?
इसमें जुनून नहीं है भाई. Let's hear some जुनून.